we're all already, a bit sort of AI fatigued with all the seemingly never-ending hype around it. How can leaders cut through this noise, focus on what really matters?
There's so many things you could do to make it right. So let's start with the first one, which I often say is start strategically with solving a genuine problem in a smart way. So I know it's a complicated one to dissect and easy to say. When I say strategic, it means it needs to solve a genuine business problem that's been dragging you, which has been really manual, laborious, boring, and impacting your productivity and efficiency. So really picking one of those critical business challenges. So if you nail that, that's it. You had a good start. And the next word that I often use is smart choices of technology. So really knowing when to buy and when to build. And this all depends on the risk involved in that particular process. Marketing may not be high risk, which means you can go for simple AI tools. However, full-blown operational optimization with your sensitive data and previous pattern is mission critical. You can't just loosely put that somewhere and expect APIs to do things. So those are the things where you might have to go with a classic AI, which is machine learning approach. So making those choices. So yes, start with a problem and make smart technology choices and do it strategically. Strategy means, is this going to give me 5%, 10%, or 15, 20% return? So the choices is based on the impact, the EBITDA, the value, and the ROI. So if you stack all of these together, that's your first protocol.
Something that we speak about with a lot of leaders is start with the end in mind. Where do you want to be, what do you want to achieve, and work back.
And looking at many of these projects, and trying to understand why so many of them are failing at the moment. You've personally mentioned, I think, that previously around 80% of all projects, AI projects, fail. What are the main reasons behind this?
80% is conservative. Gartners often say Gartner's was 85%. And especially with Gen AI, it's sometimes an agentic, it's close to 90. So three main reasons.